Hello friends, in this video we'll see the basics of breadboard. So breadboard is very useful apparatus which we required in electronics lab or electrical lab. So it look like this, and the if we hold it like the way it is shown here, then these rows these rows are shorted. Okay, shorted means, suppose if you provide 5 volt potential here, then in this whole row from anywhere you can take 5 volt voltage. In this way this row is shorted. In the same way, this row, lower row, is also shorted. If you provide ground to this, you can take ground from any part of this row. Okay, same logic is applied with these two rows. Okay, but here these columns are shorted, not the rows. That means what? Suppose you provide some potential 5 volt here, then in this whole column you can take 5 volt anywhere. Okay, now suppose if you want to design a circuit, a simple clipper circuit like this. You want to use a resistor, a diode, okay, input voltage of 5 volt sinusoidal, say, and here you want to take output. Okay, so how can we design this circuit? Look, let me clear this. Okay, so first of all, uh, we take a function generator power supply. So it has two terminals, positive and negative. So we'll connect a 5 volt positive here and negative to this point. Then here we'll take a jumper wire and connect it to the column, this column. Here we'll add a resistor like this and connect it to next column like this. Then we take a diode, fix it to this same column, with P terminal connected with resistor. Okay, then N terminal is connected to, say, this column. Now the negative part of diode must be connected with ground. So this negative is nothing but ground. So what we do, we connect this part to ground. This lower row is for ground or negative, and upper row is for 5 volt. Okay, now we have to take the output on CRO. So again, CRO has two terminals, positive, negative, or positive and ground. So positive terminal is this one, which must be connected to this resistor and diode terminal. So we take a wire from here and give it to positive of CRO. Okay, and negative of CRO, this must be connected to the negative or ground of rest of the circuit, this. So in this way we use breadboard to design some basic circuit. Thank you.